How to connect AirPods to Roku TV, simple steps. You possibly can't join AirPods onto a Roku TV or Roku streaming machine as a result of you make join Bluetooth headphones to a Roku TV basically. Nonetheless, there's a workaround utilizing the Roku app in your cellular machine. By connecting the AirPods to your cellular machine and connecting the Roku app in your cellular machine to your Roku TV or streaming machine, you may watch a present or film in your TV and listen to the audio by means of your AirPods. This identical workaround works for any Bluetooth headphones. Simply pair the headphones to your cellular machine, and observe the remainder of the directions. Right here's join your AirPods to your Roku TV or streaming machine utilizing the Roku app. Connect your AirPods to your iPhone, or pair your AirPods to your Android phone. Obtain and set up the Roku app in your telephone. Get Roku from the App Store. Get Roku from Google Play. Open the Roku app. Faucet Gadgets. Faucet OK. Faucet Join Now. Watch for the Roku app to search out your Roku TV or Roku streaming machine, and choose it from the listing. After the machine connects, faucet the distance icon. Faucet the headphones icon. Faucet OK. Open the management middle, and confirm your AirPods are lively. Play a film or present in your Roku, and also you'll hear the audio in your AirPods. Can I join my Bluetooth headphones to my Roku TV? The personal listening function obtainable within the Roku app works with no matter headphones you could have related to your telephone. You possibly can join Bluetooth headphones or wired earbuds to your telephone, and the function will work the identical. Simply pair your Bluetooth headphones to your telephone, or plug in your wired earbuds, join the Roku app to your Roku TV or Roku streaming machine, and activate the personal listening function. What if my Roku receiver connect with the Roku app? In case your Roku doesn't hook up with the Roku app, you cannot be capable of use the personal listening function, so that you cannot be capable of use your AirPods along with your Roku. Listed below are the commonest causes a Roku machine cannot hook up with the Roku app. The telephone and Roku should be related to the identical Wi-Fi community. In case your router has multiple community, ensure that each gadgets are related to the identical community. The Roku must be totally up to date, so replace it if needed. The app wants permission to enter different gadgets in the event you're utilizing an iPhone, so allow it when requested. The telephone can't be related to a VPN. The community can't have AP isolation activated. The Roku wants to just accept connections. Navigate to settings greater than system greater than superior system settings greater than management by cellular apps greater than community entry and set it to default or permissive. Should you've checked all of these settings and your Roku nonetheless cannot join, attempt restarting the Roku machine and restarting the Roku app. Restarting the Roku app could set off and replace if one is out there, and the connection may fit after performing the replace. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.